Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. And as the weekend unfolded, not a whole lot occurred. In fact, it was relatively boring, and I don't say boring in the sense of a bearishness at all. I'm just saying that when you consider that the price essentially has absolutely skyrocketed, and now all of a sudden over the weekend kind of just went sideways. Yeah, that's not nearly as exciting of action. However, that's still totally healthy as far as the overall chart is concerned, because this sideways, quote-unquote, boring price action has all been occurring at a higher level. And as long as higher levels continue to be where that boring price action occurs, that's the name of the game. So just to kind of illustrate this out a little bit more, like I said, right here, yeah, kind of boring. Price just going sideways. Last time things got boring, we're down here. Price going sideways. Not to insult your intelligence, but obviously this boring period is higher than that one over there. And that's what you want to see, assuming you care about the grand scheme of things. If you want an overall uptrend to build and construct itself, then you just want those higher lows and those consolidation phases to be higher and higher than the previous ones were. And that's exactly what's going on right now. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may very well look different. But the main question to ask yourself to keep this video relevant for as long as possible is in regards to this green line here at 50 cents. So just ask yourself, where does the price stand relative to 50 cents? If you're watching this 20 hours from now and you're answering that question, well, yeah, the price is still up above 50, then perfect. That means that this entire consolidation is still totally in play. The price still has the opportunity to build in a higher low, and that's what you want to see. Now, if you answer the question, well, actually right now as I watch it, the price is down below 50 cents, the next immediate question goes to, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average? And if something crazy has occurred and you're actually answering the question, well, the price is down below the 50-period, that would imply that something must have occurred in the headlines or something, because the bears would definitely have, that would take quite a bit on the bears' part to be able to push the price down that low. So I highly doubt, it wouldn't be shocking if you're answering that the price is down below 50, but answering that the price is also down below that purple line, like I said, within the next 24 hours or so, that would take quite a bit of, some sort of bearish news or anything of that nature. What about levels of resistance? Now, if you've answered the question that the price is still up above 50, well, then you can ask yourself, well, where does the price stand relative to the 60-cent mark, which is this area of resistance up here? And if you're answering that question that the price is actually up above 60, well, then that tells you that at that point in time, as you watch the video, the bulls are in the middle of an entire new breakout, and that would definitely be a good sign. Now, if you're answering that the price is below 60 but still above 50, one word can summarize that, and that's just simply consolidation. So use those questions, and by answering those, you'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.